He's never seen the vacuum before.
Yeah, he's never seen this. So far, I don't think he's gonna get on it.
So you gotta breathe, 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 breathe. Let it go and let it be,
Welcome home, guys. We just got back here to North Carolina and Ollie is eating some dinner. I just am going through the mail. We were only gone for like 4 days, but stuff piles up, so I was just going through that. I think it's always that's always a memory for me of coming home from trips and you like see what's in the mail.
Yeah.
Are you worn out?
Yeah. My like voice got hoarse a couple hours ago, which I don't understand. I don't get it.
Well, why don't you rest a little bit? I am, actually, I think we're gonna just run straight upstairs and do some filming for my podcast. And I think tonight we're going to take down Christmas in our living room. And it looks like Mary already started. Oh, was that before we left that you took the... I
unplugged those lights and it was behind the painting and the painting was falling, so I just took the painting down.
Nice.
But, yeah, I'm gonna rest for a minute. So, is it weird that I sit like this? Yeah. So, like, my one foot is, like, here. Like this. That's my, like, sitting position of choice.
Sometimes she sleeps like that.
I remember being in the hospital and, like, waking up in the morning like this and being like, oh, wow, my nurse probably thinks I'm so weird.
Oh man, was your dinner good, Bonesy?
Oh, he's about to burp, I can tell you.
Oh, wait for it. Wait for it.
Do you need a burp? You can burp?
You can burp. The people like it when you burp.
Are you gonna burp?
He said you can't rush it. But it'll happen. It always does. There it was. That one wasn't very loud. That was a little frothy, buddy.
Nasty.
Welcome home, guys.
Harry's already exploring the house again, and
yep.
He's up in his room or somewhere.
I don't know. He's actually
right. Oh, Harry.
Off the table, buddy.
Boy.
So he's just running around the house.
Harry boy.
Like home. He's probably like, can you guys turn the fire on?
And we're like, it's 64 degrees.
Yes.
All right, Peter's down from his editing session and he helped me. Oh, that sounded crunchy. Oh, that's all right. It's fine. It's trash. I wanted to keep one of these bells out for Harry because he plays with it every once in a while. And so I tried taking the tree apart. I took the first one off OC. Although I don't know if he's coming to see this or the vacuum.
Oh, he's never seen the vacuum before.
Yeah, he's never seen this because we couldn't really do it while we had all our Christmas stuff up. You gonna go explore that?
I've seen videos of cats getting on them.
I hope he does that. That'd be awesome. So far, I don't think he's gonna get on it. Yeah, so anyway, I took off the first piece of the Christmas tree, tried the second piece, and that was an absolute no-go. Oh, you might want to pick up those tiny little cat toys. Anyway, I guess we can put our painting back up.
There's this light.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that goes with this church under here. We got this church at the thrift store in Massachusetts, and I just think it's awesome. Ollie, are you just happy about life? Oh, it almost vacuumed your feet. What do you think, Ollie boy and Harry boy? Harry's not sure about that vacuum, but he is very excited about that crinkly paper Peter has.
Oh, he loves crinkles, because that means treats.
Or so he thinks, anyway. Oh, you good there, babe?
Yeah, oh, your poor boys.
I know, I don't know what's happening.
We have done a lot.
Yeah.
We've been, like, non-stop since, like, before Christmas.
Oh my goodness. With some sick days in the midst.
Yeah.
Still exploring that vacuum. Okay, I just finished my vest, and then I ate a couple of those ice cream mochi balls, and then I was freezing cold, which Peter was confused by, but I was like, I just ate that ice cream, I'm cold.
Guys, isn't a raspy voice so cute?
And now I'm feeling kind of hungry. Sometimes when I eat something sweet, then I need something salty. What are you laughing at?
I just ate ice cream and now I'm feeling hungry.
Hey, that's a good thing. Anytime that my brain says yes, eat, I celebrate that. So, Peter just informed me that Chick-fil-A, if you're on their app, they give you, or they put free nuggets on your app or something like that. Hey, I'll take some free nuggets any day. Ooh, maybe next year we do it across this doorway. Like, loop-de-loop. That would be kind of nice. Oh my goodness.
Ready?
Okay. Oh boy. Maybe I wasn't so ready.
Alright, stairs are undecorated and we're putting away the Christmas stuff, and it's feeling feels like a fresh season, a new season of the Frey Life, especially since it's like it was 68 degrees here today. I mean, it feels like spring. Is winter over? Is this how North Carolina weather is? I don't know. It might still be cold for a little while longer, but I'll take it, you know? I think, usually I feel like we're not ready to take down the Christmas tree and everything, but it feels right. I think the warmer weather helps. You guys look so snuggly in here. Are you exhausted?
Take his face as your example. I mean, your answer.
Guys, Harry, the last 2 nights, has slept with us. Did you tell him this? He slept with us in between us, and I have to say, it's super cute.
Yeah, like so.
He like curls in a ball and he lays under the covers like a human with his head sticking out. Like, how cute is that?
And like he's been still and he doesn't
Yeah.
punch us in the face or anything.
Yeah. And then in the morning, he stretches.
That's like our favorite.
So-
Which we always love it when Ollie stretches too.
Yeah. Except
I guess
when he yawns, his breath stinks, but you know. Yeah, we love both of your stretches. You're so cute. Well guys, welcome home. And look, we're home. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Good night too.